Hello everyone! Today we are going to attempt to crochet with an Allen wrench. Because I am still currently on COVID watch, in which I have to wait in order to take the test at the proper time to see if I actually have COVID or not. And I'm kind of fed up with it, so we are attempting something different to take my mind off of it. Although probably mentioning between all these little videos that I'm currently on COVID watch probably isn't helping as much if I were to just get into the video, but it is what it is. So what I'm doing right now is I'm crocheting a single chain, and it'll be like the same thing every time that we do, like every time where single crochet, half double crochet, and double crochet. 6, which is the United States terminology. I think in like the British terminology, it's like single crochet, half treble crochet, and treble crochet. Which kind of takes me for a loop because I was believing that treble crochet was something entirely different. And what happened here? Did I just do that backwards? No. So 1, 2, 3, 4. My eyes just weren't working. I mean, I am sick with something. I just don't know what I'm sick with. So I could still be a bit loopy, but I promise I'm sober for this. At least sober-ish. I did take cold medicine, but it was the Dayquil stuff. It's not the stuff that makes you sleepy. I imagine the NyQuil stuff is what people imagine when it's like, ugh. Anyway, I've had to like cancel appointments this week. It's been annoying. Then there's a whole debate of whether I'm even going into work because I don't want to get people sick at work. And did that turn around again? Huh. Let me just try to restart this again because for some reason it's just not... The stitch isn't appearing on the right side that I'm expecting it to appear on. So where I'm expecting to insert the hook is on the opposite side. And it's like, why is this happening? I'm not that far gone. I mean, my throat feels terrible. But the fever broke, so I'm like out of the whole headachy stage. I hope, knock on wood. All right. All right. Now things are proper. This is once again proving to be the fact that I'm being more of a tool than the tool is. Because even though there is a bend in the Allen wrench, it is not helping me whatsoever. It is not what has been carrying the yarn through the loops. There was a significant period of time, I forget how long, where I was calling this an alien wrench, and I didn't question it. It's like, obviously it's not like the other type of wrenches where they got like the 2 prongs and you put it around. it must be alien-like. They must have thought it was weird. And I mentioned this in front of Dad one day. Like, I called it an alien wrench, trying to describe it. And he's like, do you mean Allen wrench? It's like, yep, I guess that's the name. It's an Allen wrench. All right. We got our first row in. I'm so hungry right now. I'm probably going to get a meal after this. It's like a good thing that my nails are so long, because if my nails weren't as long as they are, where they could like grasp the yarn, this wouldn't be possible, or it would be more painful to try to attempt. Oh wait, I forgot to do the wrappy thing. There we go. Wrappy thing is now done. Thinking it might be time to binge some movies too. I've kind of stayed away from the living room because I don't want to get my parents sick with whatever I have, because they're going on a cruise in less than a week. And if there's a place you don't want to be sick, it's a cruise ship. I don't know if what I have is contagious or not. I'll have a better sense when I finally take that 4th COVID test on a day when the results will actually matter. Yep, and that was my stomach. Like I said, I was hungry. Yeah. It's struggling a bit. There we go. We got our second row of half double crochet done. Now time for the final row of double crochet. That, now we gotta go through. Yeah. All right, we got our stitch. All right. I mean, I'm doing it. It's working. But they've also invented crochet hooks for a reason, and this is the reason. Crochet hooks are made specifically to do the crocheting thing. This was made to tighten or loosen screws in IKEA things. That's probably where we got this one from, was from like an IKEA thing. Not a sponsor. But it's kind of like those put together kits, and it's like, we have these particular screws and for you to insert, and also we provide you with this tool to do it with, because only this tool will make it work. You have a flat or a Phillips screwdriver at home, forget it. Only the Allen wrench or the alien wrench. If you're like me and misunderstood a sizable percentage of everything ever told to you. There you go. I mean, it doesn't look too different from everything else I've ever made on this channel. But using a crochet hook is definitely better than an Allen wrench in this case. Anyway, that was today's entertainment. Have a nice day.